Another long shift begins inside the busy restaurant. One simple bag now carries someone's dinner. He races through traffic under the glowing city.
Okay, viewers, today I'm bringing you a brand new niche that is exploding right now called Wojak-style. And the best part is, today I'll teach you how to create these viral videos using completely free AI tools without wasting any time. Go to YouTube and search for the channel called Low Budget Stories. This channel is extremely viral and even verified. If we talk about subscribers, it already has more than 1.22 million subscribers, which is massive. This channel earns around $5.6K per month, which is huge for this type of content. Now, if I open the channel and talk about the category, it mainly focuses on entertainment content with highly engaging storytelling videos. And the crazy thing is, almost every video gets amazing views. Let me show you some popular examples. Videos like Life of a Fast Food Employee, Life of a Gym Guy, Living Under Social Credit, Life of a Gamer. Basically, they create story-based animations on different relatable topics that people love watching. You can create both long videos and short videos in this style. And if you scroll through the channel, you'll notice they continuously upload different unique topics that go viral again and again. I already copied one of their trending niches using a McDonald's-style Wojak character setup. Let me show you the master prompt first. This is a complete Wojak-style master prompt. Inside it, I used two main characters, one male and one female. But personally, I recommend using the male character because it performs better for storytelling. You'll get this full master prompt inside my description. Simply copy and paste it. And your images, video prompts, and voiceover prompts will automatically be ready. Now viewers, open ChatGPT. After opening it, simply paste the master prompt, and instantly you'll see it generating scene-by-scene output automatically. It gives you around 10 complete scenes including image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover prompts together, which is honestly amazing. Every single scene looks unique, cinematic, and highly engaging, especially because I copied a trending McDonald's delivery style niche that is currently performing really well. After generating everything, simply copy all the prompts and save them inside a document file scene by scene. Also, separate the character prompt properly for better consistency. Now we'll convert those prompts into images. For that, open Leonardo AI. Yes, viewers, this tool is also completely free. And with the help of ChatGPT prompts, we'll generate all the professional images easily. So let's start creating this viral Wojak animation project step by step. Okay, viewers, now you simply need to open Leonardo AI and log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll receive around 150 free daily credits, which is honestly amazing for free image generation. And yes, viewers, you can also use temporary emails if you want extra credits for practice. As you can see, I already logged in and received my 150 credits successfully. Now I'll simply click on the image generation option. After opening it, I'll move toward the Models section and select the GPT image model because it only uses around 8 credits per image generation, which is very affordable. Now, I'll paste my first image prompt and click on the Generate button. You can see my first image has started generating. You just need a little patience because it may take a few seconds to fully render the image. And boom! After waiting for a moment, you can see my first image is completely ready with both the girl and boy characters. Honestly, viewers, the quality is extremely impressive. The AI generates very clean, consistent, and professional-looking Wojak-style images. I'll continue pasting prompts one by one for Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, Scene 9, and all remaining scenes because now I want to show you the final complete look of our project. And after 1 or 2 minutes, the AI will automatically generate all your scenes. And now, after generating everything, you can see my final look is completely ready. I successfully created a full McDonald's-style Wojak animation story. You can check every single image one by one. Notice how unique the images are, how consistent the characters remain, and how smoothly the full delivery boy story has been generated inside the McDonald's environment. The best thing is, the Wojak character style stays perfectly consistent in every scene. The character never changes, and the entire story looks extremely professional and cinematic. Okay, viewers, now you simply need to open the website called Google Vids. This is the tool from Google that I'm going to use for generating cinematic AI videos. Honestly, viewers, this tool is extremely amazing, very unique, and currently one of the most trending AI video generators on the internet. After opening the website, simply click on the Sign in to VEO option and log in using your Gmail account. Once you log in successfully, you'll see the option called VEO 3.1. This will usually be the first option visible on your screen. Simply double-click on it and your workspace will be ready. Now, viewers, if you look at the left side panel, you'll notice many powerful options are already available here, like video generation, voiceover, image tools, AI audio generation, and many other built-in AI features that are completely free to use. So I'll click on the video option and here you'll see two modes available: text to video and image to video. Since we already generated all our scenes as images, we'll select the image to video option. Now I'll simply upload my first image here. After uploading, I'll write a strong cinematic prompt describing the movement, camera angles, emotions, and animation style. Then I'll click on the Generate button. You can already see my first image to video scene has started generating. Usually it only takes around 1 minute to convert your image into a fully animated cinematic scene. My first animated video scene is completely ready. Just look at this scene. Oh my God! This looks absolutely amazing. Now I'll select my second image, give it another detailed prompt, and click on Generate again. You can see my second video has also started rendering. Again, it only takes around 1 to 2 minutes. And after waiting a little, my second cinematic scene is also completely ready, and it looks fantastic. Now, viewers, I'll move toward the third image, upload it, add a strong animation prompt, and generate the scene again. And now you can see my third video is also ready, where the delivery boy is driving through traffic while delivering food. The cinematic movement and storytelling style honestly looks insane. Now, viewers, let me explain the actual story concept behind this project. This is a proper emotional Wojak-style story about a McDonald's delivery boy who continues delivering food no matter what happens. I'll drag and drop all my generated video scenes into the built-in editor timeline. Then I'll arrange them properly in one sequence line because yes, viewers, this tool also provides full editing features directly inside the platform. After placing every scene in sequence, I'll simply click on the play button. And now, viewers, you can see my final complete video is fully ready. Just look at the final cinematic result. The visuals look professional. The transitions are smooth. Wojak story using AI tools completely free. So viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's amazing tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI content like this. And I'll meet you in the next video with another brand new AI niche and another amazing tutorial. Until then, goodbye, viewers.